Welcome to Octusive, where you'll hear tales of unparalleled success and daring in the world of stock trading, where legends are born, not manufactured. We delve into the tale of one such exceptional individual, the enigmatic J-Com man. A story cloaked in mystery, punctuated by an amazing trading triumph, an elusive figure, a phantom in the finance world. The J-Com man's narrative is as enthralling as it is cryptic. His name is whispered in quiet awe, a symbol of extraordinary skill and breathtaking success. But despite his acclaim, he is an enigma, his true identity hidden away. Who is he really? He's none other than Takashi Kotegawa. But in the stock market's turbulent sea, he is more famous as BNF. BNF, a fitting abbreviation for Be Not Fearful, perfectly represents this financial maestro. His fearless trades, his composed attitude, and his inexplicable talent for foretelling market movements have played a part in his legendary status. However, many are still perplexed by the man behind the acronym. Takashi Kotegawa, the Com Man, is a riddle, a contradiction. He has achieved unparalleled success in one of the world's most unpredictable and high-risk arenas, yet remains largely anonymous. He does not seek fame, nor does he hunger for recognition. Instead, he stays focused on the game, always one move ahead of the rest, forever in search of the next lucrative trade. His journey to being a billionaire day trader was no cakewalk. It was laden with risks, riddled with moments of uncertainty and self-doubt. But amidst the turbulence, Kotegawa remained resolute, guided by his distinct trading tactics and an unwavering faith in his potential. The story of the J-Com man is a riveting one, immersed in mystery and suspense. It's a tale that enthralls and motivates, a tribute to the power of strategy, luck, and pure brilliance. As we take you obscurity to the spotlight, the journey of the J-Com man, Takashi Kotegawa, it's truly a tale of strategy, serendipity, and sheer genius. Every legend has a beginning. For Takashi Kotegawa, it all started in the bustling city of Tokyo. In the vibrant heart of Japan's capital, a young Kotegawa was drawn to the world of stock trading. Fascinated not by the glamour or potential wealth, but by the adrenaline rush of the chase, the fluctuating highs and lows, and the intriguing unpredictability. The stock market to him was a grand enigma, a numbers game, a strategical battle that he was eager to engage in. As with many beginners, Kotegawa experienced his fair share of stumbling blocks, misguided trades, inaccurate predictions, and the harsh realities of the market. But for Kotegawa, retreat was never an option. These setbacks served as his most profound lessons. With each false step, he polished his approaches, sharpened his intuition, and deepened his grasp of the market's complex ballet. Through pattern observation, trend analysis, he gradually deciphered the market's rhythm amidst the chaos. Kotegawa was more than just interested in the market. He was consumed by it. His unwavering dedication led him to spend countless hours analyzing data, studying the fluctuations of stocks, and forecasting future trends. Like a laser, his focus was unswerving, and eventually his diligence bore fruit. Slowly, Kotegawa began to savor the sweet taste of success. Profitable trades, accurate predictions, and a deepening understanding of the market started to be the norm. Every successful trade further ignited his passion. Every triumph solidified his confidence. His journey wasn't about attaining wealth or fame. It was about mastering the game, comprehending every move on the market's chessboard, finding order amidst the apparent madness. And that's just what he accomplished. With a relentless quest for knowledge and an undeniable aptitude for numbers, Kotegawa carved his path in the world of stock trading. In a world of financial titans, Kotegawa began his journey in a modest manner. Yet, his aspirations were anything but ordinary. As day gives way to night and night to day, so did the rise and fall of Takashi Kotegawa's fortunes. This man, now widely known as the J-Com man, didn't make a grand entrance into the stock trading realm. Instead, he began with a tranquil resolve. Despite starting small, his lack of initial funds was compensated by his strategic vision and foresight. His early triumph in trading was when he invested in the shares of a company on the brink of bankruptcy. Whilst the crowd was busy selling off their shares, Kotegawa saw an opportunity and bought. The unexpected rebound of the company verified his gamble, and his trade became a glaring example of his unique approach to trading, a methodology that soon became his trademark. Kotegawa wasn't just another player in the game, he was redesigning the rules of the game. He steered clear of the herd mentality and forged his own path. His trading strategies were offbeat, often contradicting the prevailing trading paradigms. His acute sense of timing, ability to identify potential where others saw none, and his cool-headed patience set him apart. He never plunged into trades recklessly, but waited, observed, and pounced when the moment was perfect. Undeniably, his strategies were fraught with risks, but the very prospect of failure never deterred Kotegawa. It was this resilience, this readiness to take measured risks, that distinguished him from his contemporaries. His audacious trades began to draw the attention of the trading community. Rumors of his name started to make rounds in the trading circles. He was no longer just another trader. He was gradually becoming a legend. However, the journey to become a legend is not an overnight affair. Kotegawa too faced his own set of challenges and setbacks, yet with every hurdle his determination only became fiercer. He learned, adapted, and advanced, never losing sight of his ultimate step-by-step, trade-by-trade. Kotegawa was sculpting his legacy, leaving an inerasable imprint on the trading world. From the inconspicuous small trades to the grandiose big leagues, the journey of Kotegawa unfurls itself as nothing short of a spectacle. As our narrative progresses, we come across Kotegawa smoothly sailing through the volatile waves of the stock market with an ease that is almost unnerving. His monumental trades were the materials that myths are made of. Visualize it, a lone individual, Takashi Kotegawa, ensconced in front of his computer, executing trades that would make even the most grizzled Wall Street old-timers gape in disbelief. His most momentous trade was when he invested in shares of J-Com, a company that was relatively obscure back then. He procured these shares at a humble price, wagering on the company's latent potential, and oh boy, did that gamble deliver. The shares took off, amassing him a fortune and gifting him the nickname J-Com Man. However, it wasn't just about the monetary gain, it was about the exhilaration of the trade, the adrenaline surge of taking chances and watching them come to fruition. It was about participating in the game, no, not merely being a part of the game, but embodying the game. Before long, his triumph projected him into the sphere of billionaires. Yes, you heard it right. Kotegawa, the J-Com man, ascended as a billionaire day trader. His success was the product of a fusion of factors: his sharp eye for potential, his readiness to take measured risks, and his unrelenting commitment. But it wasn't just his success that engraved his name as a legend. It was his methodology of trading. He wasn't reckless, he was strategic. He wasn't impetuous, he was calculated. He wasn't avaricious, he was patient. It was these attributes that differentiated him from the crowd. In the universe of stock trading, Kotegawa was not just another participant, he was the essence of the game. He didn't merely abide by the rules, he formulated them. He didn't simply adopt trends, he established them, and in doing so, he revolutionized the game for eternity. In the cosmos of stock trading, Kotegawa was no longer just a player, he was the game. Behind every trade there was a strategy. Behind every strategy there was the mind of the J-Com man. These were the philosophies that guided the man known as Takashi Kotegawa. His strategies were as unique and unpredictable as the man himself. Yet within the seeming chaos, there lay a method, a pattern, and a deep understanding of the market. Unlike the masses, Kotegawa saw the market as a living, breathing entity that had its rhythm, its pulse. He stayed in sync with this rhythm, moving with the market's ebbs and flows, riding the highs and navigating the lows with an uncanny precision. He was not one to follow the crowd. While others rushed to buy, he would often hold back. When others sold in panic, he found opportunity. His approach was contrarian. He dared to go against the grain, to stand alone amidst the market's tumult, born out of his belief that the crowd was often wrong. More often than not, his audacity paid off. But Kotegawa was no reckless gambler. He had a keen understanding of risk and reward. He diversified his portfolio, spread his across different sectors, different companies. His sixth sense for detecting shifts in the market, for sensing the subtle tremors that signaled a change in the weather, was another feather in his cap. Despite his successes, he remained humble. He respected the market's power, its unpredictability. He never let success cloud his judgment or dull his instincts. In the end, it was not just his strategies that set Kotegawa apart. It was his mindset, his resilience. He was a man who turned losses into lessons and challenges into opportunities. He was the J-Com man, a legend in his own right, a beacon for all those who dared to dream, to risk, to venture into the volatile world of the stock market. His strategies were his weapons, and with them, Kotegawa battled the unpredictable tides of the stock market. A legend doesn't just create history, he leaves behind a legacy, is perfectly exemplified by Takashi Kotegawa, known as the J-Com man. His undeniable and indelible mark on the trading world catapulted him into legendary status. Through his success, Kotegawa sent ripples throughout the world of stock trading, demonstrating that with the right combination of knowledge, opportunity, and discipline, one could reach heights previously deemed impossible. His story is not one merely of overnight success, but a powerful testament to perseverance, strategy, and belief. In the domain of day trading, Kotegawa's influence is particularly profound. His investment methods, which prioritize intelligence over high-risk gambles, have been adopted and adapted by countless traders striving to emulate his success. His grounded approach to trading was characterized by meticulous research, patience, and a deep understanding of market trends. Beyond his personal trading strategies, Kotegawa's success has had a broader impact on the stock market as a whole. He challenged conventional norms, inspiring a new generation of traders to view the market through a fresh lens. He showed that the market isn't an exclusive playground for large corporations or seasoned investors, but a field where anyone with the right mindset and strategy can thrive. Moreover, he embodied the true spirit of a day trader, demonstrating the principles of self-reliance, calculated risk-taking, and adaptability. He showed the world that trading is not just about numbers, it's a test of mental fortitude and strategic acumen. His legacy extends well beyond the billions he amassed. It is seen in the traders he inspired, the strategies he pioneered, and in the way he revolutionized the perception of stock trading. His story lights the way for those bold enough to step into the volatile world of stock trading. J-Com man, Takashi Kotegawa, a legend in his own right, changed the face of stock trading forever. His legacy is not just in his wealth, but in the inspiration he provided, the minds he opened, and the world he changed. Who really is the man known as the J-Com man, the man behind the legend? Let's peel back the layers on the persona of Takashi Kotegawa, or as he is more commonly known, the enigmatic J-Com man. Stripping away the billionaire trader exterior, you discover a man rooted in simplicity and humility. His lifestyle defies expectation, far from the flamboyant display typically associated with individuals of his financial magnitude. His preference, a modest, understated way of life reflective of his down-to-earth personality. His abode is a humble apartment in Japan, where he chooses comfort over extravagance, his wardrobe a reflection of his unpretentious nature. He is frequently seen in plain t-shirts and shorts, disregarding the allure of high-end brands. An avid anime and manga enthusiast, this is his sole known indulgence. But make no mistake, beneath his humble exterior lies a shrewd intellect and strategic mastery. His philosophies on wealth and success are uniquely insightful. Money, in his eyes, is merely a tool, a means to an end, as opposed to the end itself. Success is not just about accumulating wealth, but about the journey, the strategies employed, and the wisdom acquired. He recognizes the role luck has played in his journey, but also highlights the indispensable importance of persistence and strategic acumen. He contends that while luck may unlock opportunities, it's your skills and perseverance that keep them accessible. Despite his substantial wealth, Kotegawa keeps a low profile, preferring to remain out of the public eye. His tale is not one of instant triumph, but of years of consistent effort, intelligent planning, and a hint of fortune. His journey stands as a testament to his conviction that success is not merely about the end goal, but the journey itself. Takashi Kotegawa, the J-Com man, a billionaire trader, a humble man, a legend. His story is a testament to the power of strategy, persistence, and a little bit of luck. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the life of the legendary J-Com man Takashi Kotegawa. His story, filled with intrigue and inspiration, has been our privilege to share. To ensure you don't miss out on our upcoming explorations into the lives of extraordinary individuals from around the globe, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, Octusive. Be sure to hit the bell icon as well, so you'll be notified as soon as our new videos are released. Remember, your likes, shares, and subscribes play a vital role in our ability to bring you these fascinating stories. They enable us to continue uncovering and sharing the lessons of remarkable individuals. Until our next video, we encourage you to keep learning, keep growing, and stay tuned for more.